What is up, Unplugged family? Back with another video, baby. Today, we're going right back up to the wrap shop. It's another day of wrapping the MK8 Golf R. Now, we ran into a small little hiccup with it because if you guys remember when we were planning this, we spoke about using that gloss black PPF. So then he hit me up this morning and he was like, hey, before I, put it on, there's a surcharge because of the price of the wrap. So I'm like, all right, cool. I think there was a slight miscommunication. So he was just like, come up there so we can figure it out. How we're gonna go for it to complete the design. I want everything to line up. I want to, leave with the design that I envision and have it manifest and look good. So we're gonna go see what the car looks like right now. We're gonna talk it out, work it out, and figure out what conclusion can we come to make sure that the final wrap comes out satisfactory to me as well as for you guys, because you guys are part of this journey too. So let's go. Look at them GTI wheels, baby. All right, gang, we just made it back up. St. Louis best, baby. Boom, right there. Let's make sure, bam. Okay, so they use IGL coatings. I was curious about that because I was trying to do my research for what products I need to, maintain the ceramic coat once it gets done. What's up, Gage? How you doing, brother?
Oh, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Wow. Oh, so wait, it wasn't put on? The image you showed me was a mock-up?
Photoshop.
Oh, wow, I thought that was already on there.
No. So, first off, I thought this was dope.
I love that when you show me that. That is fire. That is absolute
cool.
fire. I love that. It's so subtle, but yet, says it all.
Some of my concerns with the design was if we were to run it up here to a
Well,
point here.
this part actually wasn't that, because that's a different model Golf R. That was like the 7, so like how we talk, kind of like how you did in the mock-up of it just cutting up like that clean.
Like exactly how the air blades are on the R.
Exactly, having that clean line right there.
Yep.
Like that, I think is the look. Now the question is, do we, because of the with the pricing with the PPF and then not being that price for it to go to there and here, do we go a different film?
No, I would say our gloss black vinyl is like black, and I can show you them side by side.
Now here's another question.
Yeah.
Once you throw the ceramic coating on top, what type of finish or sheen will this tend to look like? Have you guys ever
it's
ceramic
gonna be more
that
glossy.
one? Right, more
Yeah.
glossy and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I see those wheels, man. I
Yeah.
want to see the wheels, man. Oh wow. Wow.
Yeah, I'll let you take a look at them real quick.
Wow. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, I can't let him take my soul. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
Nice.
They almost
Nice.
look plastic now, though, don't they?
Right. What about the cap part? Were they able to spray it out? I'm kind of curious what they look like. Oh, I see them. Okay. You know what? Now that it's over here and the light is hitting it, I really can see what this wrap because over there it kind of was shaded when it had the R8 on top.
Yep.
Wow. Nice.
Okay, so you see that that design there? So this is like your normal gray, and then it fades with the black hex, and it gets heavier and heavier and heavier to where it's a solid black.
So how do you create that?
With the plotter, it's intricate, it's crazy, but I was I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but I think that there's an idea future on to where we can maybe think about something
Right.
cool.
Something different to make it individualistic.
Yeah.
So okay, so finally I'm actually seeing what the butt looks like, because I was kind of curious with the VW sign. I was like, oh well, let me see it once we get that part wrapped and stuff.
So this is going to be the design.
This is what the butt would look like.
Yep. And this you're getting pretty much the full side view, aside from the.
Yeah, I think the blade is definitely something that is gonna help
blade's gonna
set it
stand out.
apart. Yeah. You talking about stopping here, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it's gonna come. This part right here would be. Oh, that part's already black.
Did it come factory with this ground effect, or did you put it on?
No, I didn't touch. Nah, this is
I'm confused because look at this gap here,
right.
and then look at the gap here. It's perfect. If they would have butted this up, over, it would have laid flush.
Right. Oh, that's probably what do you call it? Quality control look.
Yeah.
That's probably literally quality control.
I was gonna.
It's fitted like that on the other side too as well. Oh wow. Talk about.
Yeah, there you go. So it's just not put on properly.
Quality control, VW. Oh. Yeah, so I think you're right with this being the satin. And take it away. Let me see what we look like without it naked. Huh. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think on that one. We can just leave it off for now.
You're good. You're good.
So when it comes to painting calipers, you guys just do that yourself or you send it off?
We subcontract it.
Okay. The same people that do the powder coating on the wheels or no? Oh, someone different. Okay. I mean, the blue, I kind of like, because the blue will kind of stay to the, it sticks to the VW, you know?
It would hurt me.
To see the blue go?
It's type R, you know?
Yeah, I was talking to my dad about it too. I was like, you know, that's the R branding. You know, we were like, I was telling him like, you know, when it comes to the VWs, that's the color they chose to brand the R under. Now, I'm not gonna lie. This, I think I might want matte black.
Yeah.
This, like being so subtle and signature, that I don't want that to pull from that and that. And I just kind of want to keep it a little incognito. It'll ghost that out. This will stand out more so people know exactly what it is. I love this. Like, this is like one of my favorite things that you've done. These two signature things. Yeah. I love those. So you think I should do the PPF on the sides?
In terms of scratching.
Because of scratches, right?
That's my big
So the thing that sold me on the PPF was like when you told me like it's self-healing. I'm like, oh, that's dope. My only concern is just not having unity. Like I just want it to be unified. But I know that PPF is pricey.
PPF alone is a pricey film. So
Gotcha.
Whenever you get into colored PPF, which is like a new thing on the market.
How much typically is it to PPF an entire car?
Normally to do an entire car is about $7 grand.
7 racks, got it. Which is why you see some people only do the front end out to the window, and then you see some people go full gusto with the full car.
Which we charge $2,000 just for the front end too.
Just for the front end, back to the fenders, to the mirrors. That's 2 racks. Yep. It would be like you thinking like another $1,000 just to get this black PPF like that.
And it's not a decision that you have to make now.
Right.
I mean, our guys, they want to get started on this today. He's going to start on this after he finishes that Miata.
Mm-hmm. Where around am I total number right now?
That's your subtotal after tax. That's your total.
Right. And is that applying a $1,000 deposit to that yet or not?
No.
Okay, so it's like I'm
this is
like,
not the $1,000. Yeah, take $1,000 off.
Another grand deeper to have PPF all the way up to the top. Whoo, decisions, y'all.
Not a full grand though. Keep in mind, you already have $750 down.
Oh, so it'll probably be like only like maybe like
$250, $300.
Okay. Oh, well, honestly, at that point, if it's only $250, $300 more, you might as well go ahead and do that.
Okay.
So that way, I don't have any concerns about matching. It'll match for sure. Cool. And then when you wrap this, what are you gonna wrap that? Just regular vinyl gloss or what?
Yeah. I'm just gonna do a gloss black vinyl.
All right, that's fine. And then I don't know. We'll see. Like once it's all put together. And then, like, I know you have some creative ideas, like, we could talk, we can see. But when you guys think you're going to be laying the PPF from right now? I'm trying to see if it's worth me hanging around to record or just going about it. I'll come back up whatever time. Who, you? Oh, you know what? The way I'm going to come back up, I'm just filming, like, cinematics. Like, you don't even have to talk. Like, it's just going to be you doing the work. I make everyone who's not comfortable on camera look good on camera. I got you. All right, guys. So, I'll be coming back to record them, putting on the PPS so I get some nice cinematic footage for you guys. We came to a conclusion. It actually wasn't as rough or bad or, you know, constrictive as it could have possibly been. That's why you always gotta be optimistic. Like, my goal was to come here and iron it out, and we ironed it out very easily. Made a few adjustments on the design to get it a little bit more to my liking. I'm gonna keep the blue on there for now. Keeping the blue calipers, keeping the blue line, staying true to the R in that sense. All right, so I'll catch up back with you guys when we come back to get some more shots of them overlaying that PPF. You know what I'm saying? Apple Pay. Ooh, GTR a little dirty up in here. All right, from a quarter to a full. Usually it'd be around like $30 or something, but honestly with these new gas prices, we gonna see where we land. All right, y'all, we definitely gonna fly past the $30 mark. Hold up, pleb. Yo, GT, I was just about to say, yo, how much you drinking? All right, $53, y'all. Yes, I want a receipt, and you better print it too. There it is, it's printing, baby. Let's go. Thank you.
See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. When I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they tryna get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm tryna right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't tryna stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it.
Right. I don't know if this one's gonna fit exactly how I want it to.
Okay.
So I might have to do that in both. And then this obviously up here will be trimmed down to match this line.
Nah, it looks good, man. That's clean.
Yeah.
That's crazy. It's crazy how good this looks.
Yeah.
And especially even in comparison to like the stock black.
But you see these like light scratches in here? Watch this. It's up here with heat.
That's what's up.
Yep.
Nice.
Yes, sir. So say you wash it and it's got scratched up, leave it out in the sun for a few hours, it'll be gone.
Wow.
Are you guys, Gabe, you said something about doing like a design or something on here, or are you just leaving it black?
So at one point, what we were gonna do an inlay on the cap, but then he was saying with the PPF, he didn't think it would give like that same effect. So then it was like, all right, cool.
We could make the inlay with PPF. And then put PPF over it.
Oh, really?
So
Okay.
like an R or something?
It was gonna be a puzzle piece for autism awareness. You think it'll work if we do PPF? Okay.
Yeah, I'll just have to make sure it's completely dry before I go over top.
I'm down for it. Awesome.
That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get up out the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge, gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul.
Man, it came out really, really, really good. Boom. So that's super dope because he was willing to try it. We were skeptical at first that the PPF would take the embossing, and it did it even better than what we anticipated. So I can't wait for the finished product, you guys. Like, everything is coming together. You know, the creative process is a process. You have to iron it out and work on it and get it, you know, to where you want it to be. But man, I'm telling you guys, when this finishes, it's gonna be fire.
I went from LA to the A, on the run, you can tell where I stay.